All right, everybody. So just a quick refresher to show you how you can take your finished poster as a JPEG or a picture or an image and paste it into your document. So here is my document. I have the original. So you guys, as always, would hit File, make a copy to have your own, and that way you'll be able to edit, fill things in the chart, answer the questions, and eventually post your own poster. So this is where you're going to put it, right where it says paste your finished poster below. So we're going to put it right here. So I'm going to hop back into Canva, and I'm going to see my finished poster here, okay? Then I'm going to click this download button. And it will ask me what kind of file type I want my document to be once I save it. And I don't want a PDF, even though it is suggested. I want to hit JPEG because that means it's going to save as a picture. So I click JPEG. I actually just want the first page. I'll hit done. And then I hit download. Canva prepares it for me, and if you noticed, it just popped up down here on my bar. And if I click it, it will open, and from here I can right click, save as, and I can name it anything I want. So I'm going to name this HCAP poster. And it's in my pictures, and I'll hit save. Okay. So now if I go back into my document, which I believe is here, close, this one, there we go. I go back to my spot, and I can either hit this image icon up here, or I can hit insert over here and then hit image. Either way, I'm going to upload it from my computer. It was in my pictures, so I'm going to go in there. And there it is under HCAP poster. I hit open, and now my poster is pasted. You can leave it this big if you want, or you're welcome, like I did above. You can kind of change the size so that way if, you know, it'll make your brain feel better. To get this poster and your reflection all on one page, you can change the size, and that is totally fine. Okay, and then from there, right, you could bring this back up to the page, and now your poster and your reflection could live on the same page together. And that's how you do it.